Okay, we are going to do a test here on a drill bit. Had a salesman from Kimball Midwest come around and he gives the drill bit to try. So we're going to try to drill it with our Milwaukee, and then we're going to try it with his 3/16. They're both 3/16 into this here plate we're mounting on top of our new roll around toolbox, welding cart, whatever you want to call it, welding table. Anyway, so here we go. We're going to try it. Okay, here we go. Taking it out of the package so everyone knows that we're doing it exactly right. Don't want to mix them up. Okay, there we are. See, Milwaukee drill bit. Don't know if you can see the name on it, but hey, there's the package. All right, let's see what it does. Okay, here we go. We are going to set it on our mark right there, and we're going to drill. See what it does. Okay, that one took 57 seconds. Okay, now we're trading over to the Kimball one. The other one took basically 57 seconds total. That counts startup and drilling and the whole works, so it went through okay. So now I'm going to put this one in, give it a try, see what we got here. It's a little nicer because it has the notches on it so the drill won't slip, which is good. Okay, now we're going to do this one. Same little spot type thing. Okay, here we go. Okay, we got our spot here. Here we go. See what it does. Okay, that one took 24 seconds. And as you can see, it's cutting off better looking shavings. I don't know, they're both pretty close as far as the shavings go, but it definitely drilled faster. So, kind of impressive. Maybe that one is better. Might be worth the extra money. Cool.